the OTC 6667 Harmonic Balancer Puller and the 6669 kit are your go-to tools for efficient and hassle-free removal of damper pulleys. This versatile tool is designed to work on a wide range of vehicles, including GM, Chrysler, and Ford engines, with various cylinder configurations from inline 4 to V8 to remove damper pulleys without taking out the radiator. Features a 3/8 inch square drive for ratchet use and a 3/4 inch hex for wrench or socket use. The kit comes complete with a robust 3-jaw puller, 4 forcing rod lengths, from 4 inches up to 7 4/10 of an inch long, and a versatile hollow-centered forcing screw to hold the forcing rods. To use, select the appropriate forcing rods for your vehicle and attach the 3-jaw puller to the damper pulley. Next, insert the forcing screw and tighten using a ratchet or wrench, and gradually increase pressure until the pulley is removed. The 6669 Harmonic Balancer Puller kit includes an additional set of jaws for more applications, including Saab and Volkswagen vehicles. With the 6667 Harmonic Balancer Puller and 6669 kit, stubborn damper pulleys won't slow you down. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.